Hey there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today, we'll unravel the exciting world of predictive maintenance, or PDM for short, and its game-changing impact on the future of maintenance management. We'll dive into current trends, how they're driving efficiency through technology, and the remarkable benefits of the Internet of Things. Stay tuned to discover how embracing this tech could save your business up to 45% in downtime. Let's get started. Let's dive into the world of predictive maintenance and how it's shaping the future of maintenance. Businesses are constantly striving for more efficient maintenance management, and this has led to the adoption of new technologies. One of the most exciting developments is the use of sensors to predict future maintenance needs, a concept known as preventive maintenance, or PDM for short. So what kind of impact will PDM have on the future of maintenance? Well, it all starts with current trends, which seem to be driving towards improved efficiency through the use of modern technology. Let's take a look at what's happening right now in predictive maintenance. More than half, or 51%, of manufacturers are using PDM. There's a growing adoption of Internet of Things technology, like sensors, to facilitate communication. Mobile-based CMMS software is becoming increasingly popular. There's a greater focus on metrics and performance. These trends are leading to higher levels of automation and improved communication that will drastically influence the future of maintenance. Here's a quick tip for you. Using sensors with software analytics can decrease downtime by up to 45%. That's a huge saving. Now let's look at the impacts of PDM on maintenance management. With the level of reliability-centered efficiency provided by PDM, maintenance management is only going to become more tech-centered. The first impact we're likely to see is increased interconnectivity through Internet of Things technology. Sensors will connect wirelessly to central software systems, technicians will log maintenance reports through mobile software, and cloud computing will form the backbone of asset management. Systems that used to be handled separately are becoming more integrated. Modern CMMS software offers greater capacity for integration with ERPs and other types of business software, creating a more unified software platform through which organizations can manage every facet of their business. Another exciting development is prescriptive maintenance, or RXM. This is where predictive maintenance takes sensor data and uses it to predict when equipment failures will occur. But modern machine learning technology takes that a step further by prescribing potential actions to solve the issue before it happens. Even though prescriptive maintenance technology is still young, it could play a significant role in future maintenance management as it follows the trend of increased automation and improved efficiency. It also shows promise in terms of decreased downtime and cost saving. As automation becomes more prevalent, the skills required from maintenance managers and technicians will shift. Managers will likely focus more on analyzing data and improving equipment reliability, while maintenance planning will move beyond keeping up with current demands into streamlining processes and increasing precision. Maintenance technicians will see a shift in their job, with the focus being more on performing condition-based upkeep rather than fulfilling calendar-based tasks. Tablets and computers will likely play a larger role in fulfilling those day-to-day tasks. Here's another tip. If you're a maintenance technician, you'll want to focus on acquiring technology skills if you don't have them already. So, with all these changes happening in maintenance management, how do you keep up? Well, investing in sensors and IoT devices is a good start. Implementing a CMMS can also help, especially if you choose a provider who is constantly striving to stay on the cutting edge. So gear up and get ready for the future of maintenance. It's going to be an exciting ride. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the exciting world of predictive maintenance, the impact of current trends in the Internet of Things, and how these are driving efficiency and shaping the future of maintenance management. Remember, using sensors and software analytics can decrease downtime by up to 45%. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. If you want to learn more, visit us at upkeep.com. Stay informed, stay efficient, and see you in the next video.